this is our, believe, our final goodbye. And our little tribute to our little Timneh. Joey. Joey has been with us for 7 years. He's now 31 years old. Okay, baby. And he came with discharge from his eyes and his nose. Dr. Tatham has worked on him a good few times. And then he took on a cockatoo who got too close to Peanut. And he's just been on and off unwell. I think a change in the weather. But he was free for 7 years. He was free. He was not caged. He had his best friend, his mum and his dad, who he lived with. And when he was in the mood, he went to playtime. So I know this is our last video. It's not morbid. It's not morbid to want to say goodbye and to have my last memory of him immortalized. So my little Joey, I know it's only going to be a few seconds. Fly high, baby. Fly free.